puti si Maring Queenie na naman ulit. At today ay magse-celebrate kami sa birthday ng ating Mixo mga Mars. Doon namin siya bibirthdayhan sa Jollibee. First time namin siya birthdayhan doon mga Mars para ma-experience din naman ni Mixo ang mag-birthday sa Mars, Jollibee. Wala na. Yan yung attire ni Mixo mga Mars kasi yung team niya doon sa Jollibee is yung car race. Binilhan ko din siya ng race na damit mga Mars, pero ayaw ko yung pula dahil pula na nga yung decoration, tapos kung isusuot niya ay pula, hindi na makita yung damit niya. Dalawang sasakyan yung dadalhin namin, hindi kami magkasya lahat sa isang car. Nakakatuwa yung aming travel dito. Come here, Mixo. Come here. Okay. Come here. Malit kasi yung car natin, Mars. Oh, yung pitakini. Come here. Sige, come here. Ingon, sabihan na naman tayo ni Mixo nito. He's squeezing. Ayan, naiinis siya mga Mars. Basta wala siyang sariling upuan. Yung ganito lang ba? We are not fit anymore. Sorry. We don't have our own car here. That's why we need to ride to others. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, let's go. Ang seatbelt, ang seatbelt dito sa akong ngipon. Oh. Si na aksidente. I think may tao na? Amiga, si Jane. Aray. Ay, nice. Wala pa man tao. Hello. Uy, dako naman siya, uy. Uy, naulaw ba? Ano yan siya? Ulaw siya. Ang cute. Hello. Nice. Hello. Mas dagan ang adult ang isa bata. Adult party. You will dance there. Yeah.
Wow, ka nice.
Nalig to Oh, sign in. Sign in muna sila, oh, 'di ba mga Mars? Mas madami ngayon ang adult nito kaysa sa bata kay konti lang naman yung bata na family namin mga Mars. Tapos ito yung kanilang parang souvenir. Tapos ayan. Family ni Jollibee. Tapos ayan, happy birthday. Konti lang yung in-order ko nito or ni-request kay konti lang din naman kasi yung bata mga Mars. Mikael, o diba? Yun na lang maranasan ni Mixo yung ganito. Kaya lang, Filipino time, hindi pa nagsidatingan yung mga bisita mga Mars. Oh, name. Ay na, ganda lagi na imo dress. Ay na, ulaw. Ulaw siya mga Mars. Gaantay lang ako sa mga bisita mga Mars para mag-start na kami. Yung kapatid ko na galing talaga doon sa Lupon, 3 hours biyahe, pumunta talaga sila dito Mars para umatin sa birthday. Pero asa na sila? Sa isip ko baka nag-order yun sila dito mga Mars. Wala naman. Asa na sila? Dito na. Saan yung mga bata? Yeah! Saan sila? Ay! Mga pamangkin ko. Alina! Asan sila Ate Meme?
Wala kay nabisi sa Pilaga.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Inis na ang klase niya. Naka daw
Brigada.
Welcome again sa Pilipinas.
Ay.
Bless, oh, mami.
Hoy, saan naman eh?
Wajib pa sa lubong ni Ron.
No, wag ko ihatag inyo. Na. Tara na. Sila ano na lang yung inantay ko mga Mars. Yung auntie ko na may mga apo na, ilan yung apo niya doon? 2 din na maliliit.
Kami kanimo uban sa pagpaubos sa imong pagdilinga. Lord, salamat kayo even the safe travel na imong gi-provide gihatag kang dayday uban kang Marco basihan kang uban. Lord, ikaw magapanalangin kanamang tanan bisan pa man intakna sa pag-celebrate sa adlaw tawhan ni Mikael. Lord, salamat kayo sa panalangin nga imong gihatag kaniya mga panglawas. Sa tibok niyan kinabuhi. Bisa pa maninig pag mong pagpadayon, ini nga bulong aton, kami nagadol din kanimo. Uban ang imong presensya, maglamalipayon kami nga magkasahulog ni usa ka espesyal nga adlaw sa imong anak Lord. Salamat kayo sa imong kabuhaton, among pasalamatan sa lig sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Everybody stand up! I want to hear your shouts and voices. Yung lakas sa energy ng bisita ni Mikael. Tama po ba ma'am? Mikael. Okay. Everybody stand up! Tayo po tayo. Everybody stand. Okay. Everybody hands up!
Hooray!
Hooray! When we say hands up, you say hooray. Okay. Hands up!
Hooray!
One more time. When I say jolly, you say B. When we say B, you say happy. Everybody! Always remember, it's a Jollibee. Bida ang saya. Once again, Jollibee and welcome to Jollibee Puwa Drive-Thru. We are your party host. My name is Iris.
Hi, magandang hapon po. Ako po si Ate Jan.
You are about to experience a park where the happiness takes the expression.
A place where we new friends to create memories together.
Everyone, walk with us in a new journey. This is your Jollibee Jollibee! Lalo na yung mga kids, when it comes to our games, para muna tayo maging masaya sa Jollibee. So we will start our celebration sa pagpapakilala sa mga friends sa Jollibee. We have a lot of prizes here. Ibibigay namin din sa mga kids kung alam nila yung mga sagutan ng aming questions later. Okay, one more time, everyone!
Hooray!
Today we're celebrating the birthday party of Mikael. So everybody say, Happy birthday, Mikael! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Mikael! Give a round of applause for Mikael. Ito po ang namin si Mikael. Our Jollibee together with his friends, Happy, Popo, Twirly, and Young, are excited and praying for the arrival of our birthday celebrant Kuya Mikael together with his friends. Earlier, our Jolly friends were busy preparing their party bus, designing games and activities for everyone to enjoy. So kids, we have questions for you guys all about the friends of Jollibee. If you know the answer, just raise your hands. And if your answer is correct, you will give your prizes from Jollibee. Again, the 4 friends of Jollibee are Hetty, Twirly, Popo, and Yang. First question, let's start for our first friend, si Hetty. Did you know that Hetty magkakasal for their families? Vanity Kid. Ang tanong, what kind of food Hetty here in Jollibee? 10, 9, 8,
Bata, sorry.
we are going to there. Again lang.
Spaghetti.
Very good. I think that's for Aki. Her Chinese. Yan, kay Aki pala yun. Okay. Next, some of the other kids. Next naman. Friendly, Jollibee, Twirly. Ito po si Twirly.
Yeah.
Meron na ng purple. Okay. Si Twirly naman po ang pinaka-leader dito sa Jollibee. Same question. Anong pagkain si Twirly sa Jollibee? Wait lang. Okay. Rafi, go Rafi. Rafi, okay na po Twirly sa Jollibee. Rafi, I'm here, Rafi. Okay na po Twirly sa Jollibee. One more. Sunday ice cream. Sunday ice cream. Very good. Rafi, mas famous pala namin sa Rafi. Okay, next friend we have Popo.
mahilig mag-basketball. Same question. Anong pagkain si Carlo Serrati?
Rice. It's rice.
Very good. We don't have to shy. Don't be shy. It's just as we're gonna tell you. Okay, next. Punta na tayo kay Yang.
Meow sa pangalan.
Yang.
Same question. What kind of food Meow here? Jollibee.
What kind of burger? Yummy. It's Yum Burger. Very good. Okay, last question. Mikhail, who is our best friend? You are wearing color red jacket there. Who's that?
Jollibee.
Make it louder.
Jollibee.
Okay, energy, everyone?
Yay!
Okay, now we will play Bring Me. Bring Me challenge.
Oh, bring me challenge.
Sige, yung pinaka-pupunta dito, bibigyan ka ng bags guys kay Johnny. Alright, kids, munahan. Kung pwede natin yung araw. Kids, mabigyan naman ng party ng kids. Okay, ang dami ko na yung
Bring me.
Okay, kids, bring me. Hey! Ay, madali yan. Bring me. Hey! Cellphone. Na! Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ay, natali siya. Cellphone. Na! iPhone. Kung makalimutan niya ba yung hinihintay?
Oh, Sama na siya.
Okay, ako ang other kids. Next!
See, you got it.
Don't be shy. Bring me. Hey! Bring me. Hey! Wallet na color. Black. Then. Ako na si Nigel.
Oy, Nigel!
Ako na si Lee. Yung ako na. Wallet. Yung marami naman yun. Next! Bring me. Hey! 20 peso coin. Grabe si Jane, relax lang talaga siya. Ganun lang. Simple. Okay, thank you, Jane. Jane, that's my 20. Change time. Okay, next, I'm going to have your kids. Yun, like na smile na si Bird. Bring me. Hey! Driver's license. Hey!
Wala! Like, bring me. That if you bring to them something, you can help them. Right?
Yay! What did you say? Thank you, Natalia. Kapag si Bird, you have your license?
Meron pa ba? Meron pang license.
Bird, you have your license? Ang tagal mo na dito.
Ha? Wala. Na naman siya, na naman.
Yung walang lookbox.
Wala lang, yung wala ka. Do you want more this? Do you want more? No, that's only one?
What did you say?
Actually, I did.
What did you say? Thank
Okay,
you.
good.
Lucky.
Oh, you go there and show to Tita. You go there and show to Tita.
Kai?
Go. Go there. Show to them that you.
Ay, mama. Okay, ready? Diba? Uy, naminom na siya. Ito na lang. Yay!
Just
3, 4, 5,
6. Okay. All kids, lahat ng kids na kaya maglaro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Kasha yan. Lahat ng kids punta doon sa front.
Go there, because go there.
Okay na si Mikay. You need to run first. You need to run first.
Okay?
Wait. Ano kumapit sa din? Okay, yun lang ako play musical chair. Asa lang yan yung general, di ba? Put your stand, luba ka na, luba. Okay, we will play musical chair or what we call take 2 Johnny Race. There's some music, guys. You need to clap your hands together and walk around. Wow. And walk around outside the chair. When the music will stop, that's the time you will sit. Is that clear? When there's a music, what will you do? Wow. Ay, pinatawin nila ako. So, when the music, clap your hands and walk. When the music will stop, uupo. Okay? Okay there? Jod. Grabe ma-approve niya sa akin. Okay, let's start! 1, 2, 3! Okay, Sir Mike, if you will answer, I will give you a prize. What is the complete names of Mikael's parents?
I'm Mikael's parents.
Again?
Dalaga na ako ninyo, no? Parang si Queen Bisonen, tapos si Mark Lopez na.
Oo.
Okay, dito ako. Okay. Okay, ma'am, brother naman. Okay, ma'am, what is the complete name of our birthday celebrant? Okay.
Mali!
What is the complete name of our birthday celebrant? Mikael.
There's 2!
Oh my God, I forgot to. Sino ang nakakala ko? Balik tayo lang yan. Okay, what is the complete name of our birthday boy?
Mikael, Galakan.
Hindi! Mali!
Yung birthday lang sa okay, ikaw ba? Ano ang complete name ni birthday boy? Nixon, Michael, Tarakan.
Ah, mali! Mali! Wala nakakalam!
Wait na, search si ma'am. Sino ba ito? Sir! Sir, what is the complete name of our birthday boy?
Michael Bisonen.
Mali!
Hindi ba yan nila?
Lalapit.
What is the complete name of our birthday celebrant?
Yes, Michael. Galakan.
Mali!
Hindi ka lang wala ko sa complete name of our birthday celebrant?
Mikael yung person.
Tama?
Tama!
Ang taga-Pilipinas na wala kaya sa
Jonathan!
Jonathan! Bang humingi dito ka sa kan? Yung ko na sukulimin mo. Okay, handles! 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 4, a small circle. Small circle. 5, 4, 3, thank you. I want you to group yourselves into 1. Group yourselves into 2. Okay. Balik sa circle, balik sa circle. Tumumang tayo mo eh. Group yourselves into 3. Halika dito lang. Okay na. Halika dito lang. Sakto tayo. Halika dito sa kampi mo. Okay, calm down. Group yourselves into 5. Wait, yes, of course. You're still part of the game. 2, 4, 5. Very good. Anong gusto mong pakalan ng team ninyo? Eh, ikaw ba? Tagalupon mo kasi. Hindi ka na ba? Tagalupon, di ba kanan? Lupon versus Pokemon. Sige. Is Lupon part of the Laborian Colony? Labarutan? Ah, may Lupon. Okay. Dito kayo, team Lupon.
Pagtaas na kayo, paluha.
Anong pangalan po?
Dennis.
Dennis versus Mike. Wow. Mike Desmond. Uy. Kita ko yung mukha ko. Okay. We will play a challenge with Gabi ko. Dapat po sa table kung saan po kayo nakasay. Dapat guys, nakaharap kayo sa inyong teammates. Walang... Okay, so we will have a twist in our game. May twist ang game. So, ang gagawa ng twist, yung lang mga last player. So, we have Sir Mike and Sir Dennis. Am I right? Sir Dennis? Okay, kayo gagawa ng twist. Bangkewan versus Lupon. Lupon is ano ba? Okay, last player lang. Sir, kung sino yung pinakauna tapos sa inyong dalawa sa Babylon Tower, pumunta sa gitna at sa lumig. Johnny, spaghetti. Ganun versus yun po. Ang lakas pa. Okay, build the Japanese power. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Competitive talaga. Hala, tanawa yung team. Competitive. Kanina. Pag may nalang ang sa lupong. Nagpupuntukan po sa lupong. Bayo ba na? Center. Bakit sa'yo niya, before you take a picture, before you claim your prize, dapat sabay-sabay kayo, we will dance together. The Jolly Spaghetti. Sabay-sabay ha! Pag di sabay-sabay, hindi nakakaon. Ang galing na tagal mo po ng promise and fairness. Okay! Adults! 1, 2! Nagpinigil pa siya mag-rita. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Jolly Spaghetti. Uy, parang si Jollibee. Who says Jollibee? Dapat si Jollibee nga sa kanya. Picture kayo po together with Mikaya. Where's Mikaya? Again, take a picture with your mommy. With your tito and tita. Picture. So cute. Wow. Oh, pasensya na, ma'am. Ang yung Pinoy Queen. Yan yung mga competitive tinatanggap na yung sandals nila. And of course, meron siya supportive best friend. Please welcome my best friend, your best friend, our best friend. Give it up for the one and only Jolly
Yes, kita si Jollibee.
Okay, Ate Jam, bigay mo na yan. Okay. Oh my God, you're scared. Wow! Uy, Jollibee, Jollibee, Jollibee. Nakakita na blue blues. Sige. Okay, picture. Mikael, open your gift, Mikael. Show us your gift. Open your gift. No, not the beer, Jollibee. Jollibee, help me, Mikael. Para mabigyan siya ng pera ng Mikael. Wow! Mas masaya yung mama mo. Parang birthday ng Queenie. Okay, Jollibee and Happy together with our birthday boy. Magkamis ka na picture sa kanilang tatlo. Okay, Mikael, go to your mommy first. Okay, guys, gusto niyo makita si Jollibee ngayon sumayaw? Yes! Bumakas, gusto niyo makita natin sumayaw? Okay, let's do it once again. Give it up for Happy and Jollibee.
Move that body. 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 Move that body.
Song, a happy birthday song to Mikhail. Okay, everybody stand up. Dapat po malakas na pagkanta ng happy birthday. Sing together, girlfriends. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's do something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, everybody say once again, happy birthday, Mikael. 1, 2, 3, go!
One more. Really more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday number 2. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Malang mag-uulog na tayo. Ay, spaghetti pa baba. Iba yung tinulong lang. Okay, palapakan po natin once again si Mikael. Okay, let's have a picture taking together with your mommy and daddy. Yun, meron tayong photographer dyan. Galing pa lang lang. Wow, ang ganda ng hinahid na photographer ninyo, ma'am. Pag-alusin pa naman.
Ito.
Galing lang pa sa family.
Camera.
So Marco, you have three children now. You have your children now together with Jollibee, Happy, and... Okay, smile.
Ito ka na.
What's this? Seafood.
Kabulan yan lang mo.
Ito yung smile break ng calendar. Yan, nag-smile na si Mikael. Very good, Mikael. Si Jollibee, Happy, guys. Everybody say bye.
Bye, bye, Jollibee! Thank you, Jollibee!
And always remember, so Jollibee.
Hello,
Tapos na mga Mars, natapos na yung party. Sino ba ang tao dito? Saan mo yung auto? Saan mo yan auto? Ano, iniwan kami na.
Buenas postas, tía.
Nasa daan na kami mga Mars. Asan na yung sasakyan namin? Hindi ko maalala. Ito. Maybe there. Maybe that one.
Kenen kyydissä me menemme?
En tiedä.
Yksi mennään vaan omi auto.
This. Here.
Mutta ei lähdetä sinne, joo.
Mag-taxi na lang, me.
Ei lähdetä.
Puno kayo. Nike. Taxi na lang, me. Oo. Taxi na lang kami mga Mars.
Kassi vielä. Pistä ne kaikki.
Bye! Nike! Oh, mag-uot mi Nike! Naapoy sakay sa likod. Mag-taxi na lang, me. Sige, bye! Alis na sila mga Mars. Kami magta-taxi. Bahay-bahay na, uy. Nakaano pa pala ako?
Pati si Nixo.
Hoy! Ito si Nixo!
Mama.
Ay. So, madami pa kaming food, mga Mars. So, inuwi namin dito. Kay, bayad kasi to lahat, mga Mars. Ay, papawit talaga yan nila. Tapos, nag-impake na nag-sharon na lahat, mga Mars. Pero yung cake, walang nag-sharon. Kainin natin ito, uy.
Napagod dito sa lamesa.
Unsa?
Mga fries, ano po?
Oo, parang tinikman lang kay kunat na eh. Sayang no. Kain ka, geng? Kira ka? Ang kira? Ang kira, kauban ni siya. Uy. Oo, okay. Halay, kaya pala tong itong Jollibee. Rare lang kasi to siya eh. Hindi nila to binibenta. Parang gift lang talaga to nila sa mga party nila. Ang cute. Doon na, si Mixo mga Mars. Si Mixo kanina, wala sa mood. Pero nung makita na si Jollibee, labas na yung... Si Jollibee, nakaano na talaga si Jollibee. Nagbigay saya kay Mixo. Ang daming pagkain doon, na sobrang busy ko na entertain sa mga guests. Hindi ako makakain ng maayos. Lumpia, mga Mars. Ay, thanks. So, dahil wala yung birthday boy, ako yung maghihiwa. Ay, oo, te. Ipang-share natin to kaya hindi man gusto namin maubos dito sa bahay, uy. Tapos, lainay. Tapos sa kanila.
Oh, to put...
Wow! Oh. Ano ba ni buy one take one ako, ne? Ay, wow. Thank you. Uy, kasya.
Oh, that's good. 7 ka? Mas ako kontiin?
Kasya.
Ako kay 6 naman ko.
6 na dahil kagamay ni Magtiel.
Hindi, 7 ko, pero sakto naman.
Nice. Pang beach. Wow.
Palit.
Wait.
Faster, they're playing now, they're upstairs.
They're already upstairs.
Whoa, what is this?
It's a car seat.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, I will because it's short.
Hey, you can't even open.
That's Lala's gifts.
Ingon ta kay tabangan dali mo siya.
Oh my God!
It's a car.
Careful because there is but stapler is pera ba?
Nagkan na ano dahil?
Oh, look, Mama.
Oh, wala sing balutan. Nakakuha ko sa. Wow!
Jeep Wrangler. Carnotaurus. There's no Angular song.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Nagkan na siya maulin.
Steve Bubble.
Hoy!
Hoy!
Awang presyo dyan.
Wait, that's so expensive!
Yeah, pastel. I got it.
You put it here. Tapos taas.
You swim first.
There's a lot of kids upstairs.
There's a lot of kids to play with you.
Let me just open now.
Wow!
And the box.
Wow naman!
Ay, yung candy yung gifts.
You can share it to them, ha?
Okay. We got, you know, I can play with it on my own. Monster Jam!
Family kid, orak po.
Natulog to?
Oh my God! Oh my God! You are so spoiled. Nana! My goodness!